Hi, so I'm Natalie here today to do a tutorial on how to blow dry your hair using the Pro Blo brushes. Yeah, so my hair, it used to be blonde, so it was a little bit damaged. So I've started using hair products and blowing my hair once a week using Pro Blo, and it's improved so much. So I'm going to start off by using a small barrel for the bottom of my hair because my hair is quite short and I like to get more bounce in the bottom of my hair. So it's important to section your hair because if you just start taking random sections everywhere, you'll just end up with pieces missed out the middle and you won't get a smooth blow dry. And you need to make sure it's like 80% dry as well, so none of the hair is left wet. Okay, so once your first barrel's in, you can pop a clip on before you remove the handle, and that secures it into place, like that. Right, so when you're rolling the brush in, you need to make sure the ends of the hair is really smooth. Roll up, pop a clip in, and then remove the barrel. This will just make sure you get a really nice smooth blow dry on the ends. You can remove the hair before you roll it up just to ensure that it's really smooth around the brush, making sure that all your pieces are in to create a nice smooth curl. So you don't get any dints in your hair. People put the comb like right through. So just put the clip angled into the bottom and just make sure that your sections are nice and smooth still. Yes, so you need to make sure your hair is 80% dry before you start the blow dry, because it will just take you absolutely ages, and it will definitely save time. So same again, repeat the sections nice and neat, just the size of the barrel on the opposite side of the head. Take your section at the back first so the barrels don't get in your way. Probably clip it first. It doesn't matter which way you do it, but I just feel like it secures the barrel more while you take the handle off. before you roll the barrel up, you need to make sure the hair is 100% dry, because when you take the barrel out, if it's not, it just won't get the same effect. It'll end up going straight if it's not perfectly dry. So as I get to the front, I'm just going to demonstrate how I use the medium-sized barrels, because it'll give me more volume, and I don't really like a curl around my face. I just like more of a flick and more volume, so it looks a lot softer around there. I just want to show you how much bounce it's got in it before I actually let the hair set. So if you're in a rush and you want a quick 10-minute blow dry, instead of waiting for them to set, you can do that as well. Obviously letting the barrels cool will allow you to get more volume because it's been set properly. So before taking these out, I will allow them to set now for about 20 minutes. This will allow the barrels to cool off, and they'll get much more volume and a nice smooth blow dry. If you take it out before that, you will still have a nice blow dry, but it will last a lot longer if you allow it to cool for the good 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes now and the barrels have all cooled down. I'm going to start by removing the barrels from the bottom and rolling out. If you feel like the hair's getting stuck, you can just take small sections like this instead of just trying to yank the brush out. But if you roll out instead of just pulling, you can see because I dried the hair off properly, I've got a nice smooth blow dry. The hair is completely dry, so that's why you need to make sure it's 80% dry before you start the blow dry. And with these ones, instead of like trying to pull it out the back, just roll up. If anything's getting stuck, again, just pull the sections out bit by bit. Style the hair, you don't really have to do anything to it, you can just give it a little shape, put your parting in where you want it to be, and there we have it.